In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Gmail as default email client. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account using Google Chrome. Next, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser window. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then click Site Settings. Scroll down and click Additional Permissions to expand more options. Under that section, click Protocol Handlers. Make sure the radio button for sites can ask to handle protocols is selected. This setting allows websites like Gmail to request permission to open email links. Now switch back to your Open Gmail tab and refresh the page. After refreshing, look at the far right side of the address bar. You should see the service handler icon, which looks like two overlapping diamonds. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page again to trigger the prompt. Click the service handler icon. In the pop-up menu, select Allow, then click Done. From now on, whenever you click on an email link, such as a mail-to link on a website, it will automatically open in Gmail instead of another email program. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.